Today we're going to see how to add grand totals to trend lines. We'll start off adding our invoice date as columns, adding the sales as rows. We now see the sales trend per year. Change the year grouping to discrete month. So this is cumulative sales for the same month in all years. Then we can take the invoice date and mark it as a color, which will distinguish each year as a different color. Right-click on the invoice date marker and show a filter. I am going to look at only 3 years. Next, I'd like to see the year as a label at the end of each trend line. Take the invoice date, drag it over as a label marker. It took it down to the next layer of the date hierarchy to quarter, but we can change that. Right-click and select year. So now we see a label for each year. The last thing I'd like to see is the sales for each year. Take the sales measure, drag it as a label. It will show the sales, but that is the sales only for that one marker, which is December of each year. To change that, instead of the sum, right-click on the marker and do a quick table calculation for running total. That gives you the cumulative for the entire year. We'll go ahead and format that. Currency custom, round it by the nearest millions. And you have your grand total for each year.